You join me just in time for the F-Type Coupe manual. That is pretty exciting. Let's get going. So the F-Type Coupe, huh? This car is pretty good. I think the best feature is the sound. Oh, this kitty knows how to purr, that's for sure. Handles pretty well, a little rough on the roads. Seats aren't entirely comfortable, but it's a nice cabin, well appointed, quality interior, and it's very open. It feels very open with the panoramic moonroof, sunroof above my head. Shifting is very nice on the car. It's very smooth. It's not rough. It's very nice. Right about 4,000. That's when it sounds good. Oh yeah. Woo! Doesn't really live until 4,000. That opens up. The air vents are doing a funny thing here. Seems when the temperature of the cabin is reached, that the vents are dipping down. So that is a cool little thing about this interior, though. Neat little quirks that Jaguar has put into it. The vents, everything's, you know, I guess that's my only quirk. Great job with this car. It's a lot of fun to drive. I don't know if I'd own one. Not that comfortable. Especially if I was doing long drives somewhere, but you know. It's not that comfortable. But it's nice. It's nice. Real nice. As I've said, and I'll say it, I think it sounds the best out of any car I've driven. Pretty good. Really great. Very good. Really good. Great. A great car. Sounds great. Sounds good. Great car. Good job. Great job.